Guys, and wait, let me check my mic before I start recording. Yeah. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this dual propeller helicopter. So yeah. I can just pull down to go forward. Put my landing gear up. But yeah. I have a little boost button. But yeah. But I'm not gonna show you how to build this entire thing. It's basically just my V22, also known. Oh wait, I can undo. Yes, save. Oh no, load. So it's basically my V22, but I chopped off the wings and chopped off this front bit. And oh wait, that was the autosave, so I don't need to do anything for that. And I basically chopped off those wings and placed these. But yeah, I basically did nothing else. So yeah, you could basically just copy that from my other video and just place these wings. But first, let me show you how it's like. Oh wait, I already did. But I'll just show you again. And it's pretty neat if you just wanna fly around, but don't use too much power, because the back propeller will eventually overpower. But if I go full throttle, I think the front propeller will overpower. Don't go full throttle, because the back propellers will overpower it. Stay like mid throttle, but yeah. You also pull down to pull the face down and like go forward. You pull up to start left and right. Just move left and right. But yeah, the wingspan is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, no, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is 6 and this one is 7. Just place that and just paint it. But yeah. And also here in the last one there was 5 engines here, but you need an extra engine because here it's like there's like more lift at the front. But yeah, so that's all. This is just a short tutorial, but also guys, I'm going to be in this video I'm also going to be showing why this plane is better than a normal helicopter. First of all, it's way easier to make. Second of all, it looks so much more cooler. Third of all, I have a boost button. But yeah, that's all for this tutorial. But yeah, bye guys. Oh wait, no, before I say bye, if you enjoyed this video or found this very short tutorial useful, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another upload. And bye.